What's up? RC Nation with a quick tire and wheel tip for you guys. If you got an unbalanced tire, see, I put a little bit of JB weld on the inside of the rim. You got a tire that won't sit still. When you rotate it, it just wants to roll until it finds the heavy point of the rim. So it's not rolling now when I spin it. It's a lot better. When I spin it, it just kept rolling until it found that heaviest part of the rim and it would settle. Did the same to this one. Just keep spinning it. The heavy part of the rim will always settle to the bottom. So that's why you know you find the opposite point of where the heavy side is, and that's where you're gonna add the JB weld. And it'll solve that problem from that wheel wobble, real unbalanced wheels. High speed wheel wobble when you're doing speed runs and whatever. Alright, it's just a quick tip for you guys. You can find this JB weld, you know, Walmart and the other hardware store. Good luck, hope it works. RC Nation out.